Most people ruin camp meals by dumping cold ingredients straight into an unstable pot and hoping for the best. Here's how to cook a real, hot meal on a camp stove every single time. Step 1. Set your stove on a flat, wind-blocked surface, like a rock ledge or the leeward side of your tent. Attach the fuel canister and test the flame before adding any food. A stable base means even heat and no tipped pots. Step 2. Pre-chop and pre-portion ingredients at home into labeled bags. One-pot combos like rice, canned beans, and dehydrated vegetables cook fast and dirty only one pot. Less prep at camp means less time crouched over the flame. Step 3. Start with the slowest cooking ingredient, like rice, and control heat with the flame valve instead of lifting the pot. Keep the lid on to trap heat and cut fuel use nearly in half. Stir occasionally and add quick items like greens near the end. Step 4. Kill the flame the moment the food looks done. Residual heat keeps cooking for another minute. Let the pot rest covered off the burner for 2 minutes to finish evenly. Then plate straight from the pot to save on dishes. Pro tip: never cook inside a tent or a zipped vestibule. Camp stoves produce odorless carbon monoxide that can be deadly in enclosed spaces. Always cook in open air with clear ventilation. What's your go-to camp stove meal? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.